Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Recovering deleted emails in AOL Mail is a straightforward process if you act quickly. First, log into your AOL account using a web browser. Look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the folder labeled Trash. This is where deleted messages stay for 7 days before they disappear forever. Scroll through the list to find the email you need. You can also use the search bar at the top to filter results faster. Once you locate it, click the checkbox next to the message. Go to the top menu and select the Move button. Choose Inbox or another folder from the drop-down menu to restore it. If you use the AOL mobile app, the steps are similar. Open the app, tap the mailbox icon, and select the trash folder. Tap the email you want to save, then hit the folder icon to move it back to your primary inbox. If the email is not in the trash folder, it might be permanently gone. AOL automatically clears the trash folder every week. If you accidentally hit empty trash, recovery becomes much harder. You can try checking other folders like spam or archive just in case. Some users try to contact AOL support, but they rarely have backups of individual deleted items. To prevent this in the future, consider using a third-party email client like Outlook or Apple Mail. These programs often keep local copies on your computer hard drive. Regularly backing up your most important messages is the best way to avoid permanent data loss. Always double-check your trash before you decide to empty it.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.